Hi! Yes, this has arrived. So, let's find out what's in the box. Okay, looks like as you saw, the tea wrapped in this. I think it is white tea. I thought that was the black tea because I have a black tea bowl, a bowl of black tea as well. So I thought that was it, but it turned out to be white tea. And well, actually, this clay teapot is only for black tea. But what can I do? It turned out to be I just brewed a white tea here. But it's okay. Well, tea is tea. So, unfortunately, this bowl is separated from the with the outside for a long time and exposed, so it has very weak taste. So one important lesson: if you have separated as a small amount teas, don't expose it too long in the air, because it will the air around it will take away the scent and the taste. Well, if it takes away the scent, it means that you will taste it as really, really weak. So unfortunately, I only can smell really, really, really subtle scent of the white tea, and then the tea taste is very weak as well. But despite the fact that I am drinking weak exposed white tea, I am going to open this box that has delivered. So that's exciting. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, so first you need the knife. And open this. Okay, I think everything packed in very well. Well, I'm going to take everything out first and get rid of the box. Okay, so it looks like we can start from this. These teas are for my tea class that I'm going to have for 4 weeks in the city called Suwon. this, I let people who came to take my class let them taste some tea. And okay, so this is the nice tin. Has a pretty pretty paintings. I don't know, printing, I would say. And if you open this, I think this is black tea. Is it black tea? Yeah, I think this is black tea. And this can go. And this big guy. Well, and this is the Wee Mountain tea. And it's like one of it, and it has a touch of cinnamon. So and Wee Mountain tea is, it has a mineral taste and everything, and one was not enough, so I got two. And yes, this can go. And what is this? I like when I open the... Be careful when you deal with the knife. This looks very dull and clumsy, but actually this is quite sharp. It is quite sharp, so you have to be careful. And this guy is okay, let me open this. It's the dark tea, one of the dark tea. You know, there are many kinds of dark tea in China, and this is one of it, and it looks like this, like a coin or that kind. And okay, let me open this. Voila. And I like this tea because when you drink this, your body warms up quite quickly. So it's very nice tea when you drink cold weather. And I got this to let people taste the difference between pu'er tea, because pu'er tea is one of the most famous black tea, dark tea in Korea. So I thought maybe this will show the difference. So talking about the pu'er tea, so this, I think this is the pu'er tea. Not just pu'er tea, shu pu'er. Yeah, this is the brick kind of pu'er, shu pu'er. And this is quite old actually. I think this was like 12 years old or over 10 years certainly, and even shu pu'er gets very nice if it reached to more than 10 years, because it goes really soft. I like it. So I think this will be a good comparison to let people taste this shu pu'er and then other kind of dark tea from China. And yes, this is the white tea. Gongmi is like Shomei, is closer to Shomei, and yeah, it's also, I like white tea, and people don't know much about white tea because they don't have chance to taste. So I think this will be good to show them. So yeah, this is it. So I'm going to have a comparison with this and with this, and then I ordered extra more, but it's not with me at the moment. And yes, it'll be fun. They will taste 8 different kinds of tea during a month of time. Yes, so this is it. I opened the box and there are lots of different kinds of tea came out to use for my class, tea class, and I'm very excited. I'm going to make these into tea bags, like divide them into tea bags, and I'm going to bring the class, and I asked the people who will come to my class to bring their own tumbler or mug cup so that they can brew in their own cups. And also, you know, it's good for environment not to use just one time and wasted cups or plastic in general anyway. So yeah, I'm very excited. I'm especially excited about this black tea. No, sorry, I have dark tea, because this dark tea has a very, very unique taste. Also, definitely, this is really, really good for the when it's cold. You drink this and you immediately feel your body heats up. So I want to find out if other people feel the similar way. So that will be interesting. And yes, this is it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, press the like button, smash it, hit it, whatever, and and subscribe if you want to keep on hearing about tea time, tea drinking, and about tea whatsoever. And I will see you next video. Until then, bye bye.